Kiss, kiss, kiss. They love to kiss.
Yeah.
And they love their mirrors. That's a beautiful home. It's just beautiful.
Yeah, I really like it. I wasn't quite sure how the birds were going to react, but God, they're really flying around. Send you home in there, okay? Like it or lump it.
You still got the towel on if it's on tonight. Take the towel off.
Oh, on top?
It's blocking the light.
Oh, that's plenty of light. That's cool. I'm just gonna, maybe I'll make a little YouTube, put it on video. I'll put pictures of it, and then I'll mix in this stuff, and it'll kind of Mel Spielberg. There they go.
Oh, they fly.
So when did he put him in? Saturday or something like that?
Last week, I think it was Wednesday or Thursday. He just grabbed them and stuck them in.
Yeah. There they go again, chasing each other. And they're territorial, from what I read.
But you know, they haven't been flying. They've been in here almost a week, and now they're flying.
Okay.
They only flew because they were afraid of us. We came near them, and then but now they're just flying because it's fun to fly.
Exactly. Then it goes up. Cool.
Yeah, that's Sunnybird.
Their little skylight they got.
Yeah.
Sunnybird and who?
And Skybird.
Okay.
So cute. This guy's getting ready to go into the house.
Oh, cool.
I mean, he's checking it out.
Right. Got it.
They're
That's why I made it.
so cute.
But like I said, they're territorial. If you were put new ones in there,
Yeah.
I don't know how they would react. You know, they all have their little.
Budgerigars. That's what my mother used to call it.
Come on, Hanky. I got you, buddy. You're gonna be in the video. Rick Gunderson here, ladies and gentlemen, is responsible for. You didn't like it either?